Friends and family members, we come to the pleasure of seeing Eric and Laura present themselves before God and these witnesses for the purpose of being united in holy bonds of matrimony.
I see them bloom.
To Eric, my mountain man, my almost husband, can't believe our wedding day is finally here. Feels like just yesterday that I was nervously walking up to the doors of Ice Brewery, hoping that the witty, sweet guy from my texts might be as good in real life.
I see skies of blue and clouds
Laura,
of
as you have learned, I can at times be a bit indecisive.
blessed day.
But one thing I have never been more sure of in my life is my love for you. In our first date to today, that love has only grown.
What a wonderful world.
I will always remember how, after only 4 dates, you confidently announced to me, I want this to be a thing,
Skies of blue
which, after some clarification, resulted in us becoming official.
white. The bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself,
Hugs in the kitchen, snuggles on the couch,
what a wonderful
falling asleep on your shoulder while doing the crosswords, and saying I love you every time one of us leaves the house are among my favorite things.
I see skies of blue and clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world.
You look gorgeous.
Thank you.
I love that dress. It's beautiful.
The colors of the rainbow.
Today, I'm so proud to be marrying my favorite person
Hello. Oh, you look so beautiful.
in front of our closest friends and family.
I'm not crying.
No, not at all. And to have you by my side for the rest of our lives.
How do you do? They're really
I've had many titles in my life, but none of them will ever be more important to me than personal chef and coffee maker, snuggle butt, and now husband. I could have not asked for a better partner. I can't wait to spend the rest of our lives together. I love you so much.
I hear babies cry. I watch them grow.
Now that we're heading down the aisle, I'm excited for our next adventures in marriage, as travel partners, and even as future parents. I love you. Love, your Snugglebutt, aka Lara.
I love you. I'm not crying.
You're crying.
I'm not crying.
Yes, I think
I therefore pronounce you man and wife in the name of the Father and the Son and of the Holy Spirit. You may kiss your bride.
Found a way back to you, despite what you put her through. You drove all night, couldn't take it anymore. To live with the truth.
We knew Laura was searching for a very particular man, and we know that she found that person in you. It's good to know that Laura finally found someone who can out-band nerd herself.
We love you both very much, and we're so happy for you. So if everybody would please raise a glass, the new bride and groom, we love y'all. Cheers.
One way to love. One way to love. There's one way to love. One way. Well, he can't help his twinkle eyed
Laura, with Eric, you have a partner who will support you through thick and thin, just as he always did for me. Except this time he won't be the half pint on the field, but rather the giant that will always stand by you.
Put her faith in forgiveness, didn't turn away when he changed her world. Someone to learn from it. So put your faith in forgiveness, however hard it is, and see it through. There's one way to love. One way.
Laura, my baby girl. When you were little, you always had a twinkle with mischief in your eyes. This mama's heart is so full today to see that twinkle and mischief in your eyes when you look at Eric.
Don't feel like it's up to me so much to give her away to Eric, because I know that Eric has made it this far. And if he has made it this far, he has earned his place in her life.